Your energy body is like a beacon in the world. We are all energetic beings. Beyond our physical bodies, we radiate a vibrant energy field, often called an aura. This aura interacts with the world around us, absorbing energies and influencing how we feel and experience life. Just like our physical bodies need care, our energetic bodies thrive with regular cleansing and rejuvenation. Imagine your energy as a bright, clear light. When this light is vibrant, you feel healthy, happy, and full of life. However, daily stresses, negative emotions, and interactions with others can leave their mark on our energy. This is where the importance of energy detox comes in. By learning to cleanse and refresh our auras, we create a sacred space for healing, growth, and renewed vitality. This video will guide you through simple yet powerful techniques to clear away energy blockages and reclaim your natural radiance. Life isn't always sunshine and roses. We encounter negativity in various forms, stressful situations, challenging relationships, and even our own inner critic. These negative energies can cling to our aura, leaving us feeling drained, anxious, or unwell. Ever notice how being around certain people leaves you feeling depleted? Or how a stressful day can make you feel physically and emotionally exhausted? These are signs that your energy is being affected. Negativity acts like an energy vampire, sucking away our joy and vitality. Over time, this can lead to emotional imbalances, physical ailments, and a sense of disconnection from ourselves and the world around us. Recognizing the impact of negativity is the first step towards protecting your energy. Once you're aware of these energy drains, you can start implementing practices to shield yourself and maintain a positive energetic state. One of the simplest yet most profound ways to clear your energy is through mindfulness. Mindfulness is about bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. Engage in activities that bring you joy and peace. Spend time in nature, listen to calming music, or practice gentle yoga. These activities help quiet the mind and allow your energy to flow more freely. Meditation is another powerful mindfulness practice. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and turn your attention to your breath. As you focus on the inhale and exhale, allow thoughts to come and go without judgment. Regular mindfulness practice creates a space of stillness within, allowing you to release negativity and reconnect with your inner peace. Section 4, Grounding. Reconnecting with Earth's energy. Grounding, also known as earthing, is a powerful technique to center and stabilize your energy by connecting with the Earth's natural energy. One of the easiest ways to ground yourself is to simply walk barefoot on the earth. Feel the grass or sand beneath your feet. Visualize roots extending from your feet deep into the ground, anchoring you to the earth's stable energy. Another grounding technique is to visualize a grounding cord. Imagine a cord of energy extending from your root chakra, located at the base of your spine, down into the earth's core. See this cord anchoring you, providing stability and drawing up nourishing energy from the earth. Grounding helps release stagnant energy, reduce stress, and promote feelings of calmness and well-being. Make it a regular practice to incorporate grounding techniques into your daily routine, especially after feeling drained or overwhelmed. Section 5. Shielding and cleansing, safeguarding your aura. Once you've cleared your energy and grounded yourself, it's important to protect your aura from absorbing unwanted energies. Visualization is a potent tool for shielding. Imagine a bright white or golden light surrounding your entire body, forming a protective bubble around you. This light acts as a filter, allowing only positive energies to enter your space. Another powerful cleansing method is smudging. Smudging involves burning sacred herbs like sage to clear negative energy from your aura and environment. Light a sage bundle, allow it to catch fire, then gently blow it out so it's smoldering. Waft the smoke around your body, visualizing it carrying away any negativity. Crystals are also wonderful allies for protection and clearing. Black tourmaline is known for its protective qualities, while selenite promotes clarity and high vibrations. Carry these crystals with you, or place them in your environment to create a harmonious and shielded space. I hope that you found the content of this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe for future videos to guide and uplift you on your wellness journey. For additional inspiration, links to my Instagram and TikTok are also available in the description box below. Sending love.